When your truck is down, we understand how important it is to get back on the road. Here's how Zip's simple remote repair and warranty procedure works. Contact us immediately. Whether you prefer to call, text, or email, let us know right away, and our truck service team will work firsthand with you, your in-house mechanic, or trusted local repair shop to diagnose and fix the problem. No need to bring your truck back to Zips. We'll take care of everything remotely. If it's a body issue, our customer service expert will guide you through a conversation to confirm the proper repair of the issue at hand. If it's a chassis issue, simply take the truck to your respective local commercial truck dealer to perform the repair and process the warranty. If your local repair shop is servicing your truck, we will speak directly with your shop to ensure an expedited and quality repair. If specialty parts are needed, we'll ship them immediately. Zips has the largest towing equipment repair part inventory in North America. We'll review and approve the repair for warranty. If it qualifies, you're covered. The repair is completed. We'll handle the warranty compensation, reimbursing labor costs to you or your repair shop quickly and efficiently. At Zips, we make repairs and warranty approval easy, so you can stay focused on what matters, keeping your truck rolling.